Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. I am your host, Ray O'Brien. In this episode, we're going to make Italian coffee cocktail. Now I know you're probably saying to yourself, Ray, come on, man. Another coffee cocktail? You know, you did the Jamaican coffee, you did the Irish coffee. Well, now I'm doing Italian coffee. I mean, it's cold out here, man. It's Chicago area, wintertime, and it's supposed to be 20 degrees. Alright. Anyways, I need something warm. Okay, look at the steam coming off that thing. I mean, do I really want to drink with ice and all that stuff? No. Okay. So, we're going to make Italian coffee cocktail. And you stick around until the end, because I'm going to show you how I make it special. Okay, let's begin. It uses these, Italian coffee cocktail uses these liqueurs. First of all, you got hot coffee, duh. Okay. Your Disaronno, your Borghetti Italian liqueur. Now you can use any coffee liqueur. You can use your Kahlua. You can use your Patron XO Cafe. I mean, you can use about anything you want to, but I'm trying to keep this Italian. Get it? Okay. Also, Disaronno, I think, is a little better flavor. You can use your regular Amaretto. You can see I use this quite a bit. Look, I'm almost empty. Almost out. I think it's got a little bit better flavor, so I'm going to use that because I like it. Okay. Let's begin. Now, first thing you want to do is have your Irish coffee cup sitting on the side with some hot water in there to keep the glass warm. Look at the steam coming out of that baby. Okay, then we're going to dump the water out. Okay, to that, we're going to add, now we're going to add 1 1/4 of each. Okay, we're going to add 1 1/4 of the coffee liqueur. Almost out too. Okay, we're also going to add 1 1/4 of Disaronno. Then we're going to hit it with some hot coffee. Now I'm going to show you how I make it special. Okay? Now what I did was I took a little bit of whipping cream, a little bit of powdered sugar. I hit that on my wife's stand-up mixer, but I didn't stop there. I put a little bit of vanilla extract in there, and I put a little bit more of almond extract, so it's got almond flavor to it. We're going to put that on top. Okay. I think you will like this. You're going to have to check this out. Do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the stuff I do. Hit that subscribe button. Subscribe. Then you have access to all my videos. But I want you also to send me a comment and let me know if you tried this and how you liked it. That's looking good, man. Okay. Now also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of crushed almonds on top there. I went up in my wife's pantry, I found some sliced almonds, and I just took the meat tenderizer to them and bashed the hell out of them. So they got all crushed up. To make a mess. Okay. That looks good, don't it? check it out. Let's give that a test. Oh. First thing you get is the almonds on top. You get the almond flavor in the cream. Then the amaretto and the coffee liqueur, and the coffee warms as it's going down. It's excellent. You really got to try this out. So anyways, like I said before, try it out and shoot me back something. Let me know how it was. But just remember, at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail. I'll catch you before the next round. See you later.